Good morning, good afternoon. Lisa Crone here, your adjunct professor for HTM 101. I just wanted to let you know that week one modules are all active and published in Canvas, so you'll be able to walk through the materials and never hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I'm filming the first week's videos from home, but I'm really excited that I'm going to be filming future welcome videos and introductions to the week's modules from remote locations that hopefully can highlight some of the areas of hospitality. So if you have a special request, please let me know. I do work at the Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay, so I will be filming primarily from there since it's very convenient for me. So if you have a particular location you'd like to see in that resort or any of the inner workings of the resort, I'm happy to take you on a tour virtually, of course. And good luck on week one. I know that you're going to do great. The highlight for me is going to be the introduction exercise that you're going to do so that I can learn about you, as well as the service evaluations. And that's a really great way for us to talk about hospitality, is by evaluating the service that we experience. And so I'm most looking forward to those contributions and learning from you. Take care and have a great first week.